Hi, boys and girls. In your packet, you'll find flower, roll, and bump, and we're going to play a game. So get that out, and we're going to show you how you can play this.
And you can play it later with your family, but we'll show you what we're going to do to cover this. Don't color them. You're going to cover them with little pieces. You could use cereal pieces. You could get out crayons, something that you could just cover the spot with. If you have a bingo game, you could color it with bingo chips. Trying to get the screen to share here with our dice. All right. So everyone can see, how many do I have? I have 2, because we are going to practice adding. So here is our first one. I'm going to roll it. And then I'm going to roll our second one. All right. Okay, everybody, let's count them together. We're going to add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now what you have to do, you added those together, and look what Miss Ackerman's doing. She's searching all over to find the number 9. She found it. So what are you going to do? Oh, look at that. She covered it. So now we don't have a number 9 there anymore. So now what we have to do is we're going to roll again. I rolled the 1, and I'm going to roll another one. And you'll have your actual dice at home. So let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, let's search. Let's find the number 6. There it is. And we'll cover it. Oh, there's another one, but we'll leave it there. We can either cover it now and cover both of them, or you can leave it open so you can do it again. It's up to you which one you do. So you saw how Miss Ackerman was putting it on, or she left it off. All right, let's try it again. Oh, we got that number 6 again. Let's try this one again. Let's see what we add it to be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 and one more is the number 7. Search for the number 7. She found it. Oh, what? There are 2 of them. So she covered that one, and then she's going to stop, and you can leave the other number 7 there so someone else could get it too. We're going to try one more for another example. Ooh, we got the number 4. And this time it would be like 4 plus 6. Wait, I think we had that yesterday. 4 plus 6 equaled, yes, it equaled 10 if you remember. But we'll go ahead and count it anyways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, let's look for that number 10. It's a 1 and a 0. Oh, she found it. Boys and girls, that is what you are going to play today. You are going to play that game. You can get out some dice and you can play that game and have a lot of fun doing it. Enjoy it. We'll see you back again tomorrow. Bye-bye.